Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, February 25, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, February 25, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng February 25, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Ultra Lotto 658, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, February 25, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 159 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 16.5 million pesos for February 25, 2024 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for February 25, 2024 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.